Okay, question 8. The four graphs show that the water level in a bath changing over time. One grid square on the x-axis represents 1 minute of time. Each of the graphs below match a scenario. Okay, so something that might have happened. Draw a line connecting each graph with which matches that graph. Okay, so I'm going to take the approach of reading each scenario and trying to see which one it matches up with. Peter ran the tap for 3 minutes. Then he left the bath to cool for 2 minutes before getting in. He emptied the bath after being in it for 10 minutes. So what can I check here? I can check the filling time, 3 minutes. And I'll have a look here. This is presumably the filling time when the level in the bath is going steadily up. 1, 2, 3. It looks like 4 minutes there. Looks like 3 minutes here. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes here. And just 2 minutes there. So I'm thinking it's going to match to this, and I'll just double check with the other information. Left the bath to cool for 2 minutes. Okay, that matches that bit. 2 minutes where it's just the water level stays the same. Before getting in. When you get in, the water level in the bath goes straight up. He emptied the bath after being in it for 10 minutes. So there should be 10 here, and then it drains away. And that looks absolutely right, so I'm going to match those together. Carlos got into the bath while it was still running. Okay, so it's filling up as he's getting in. He splashed some water out onto the floor while washing his hair. He was in the bath for 10 minutes in total. Okay, the only person I can see which looks like a bath, like the water level goes out while they're still in, is here. And I'll just check that. Okay, he got in whilst it was still going in, so whilst the water was still running, so it's not gone straight up, it's gone in this line. So I think that's definitely going to match to there. In the bath for 10 minutes in total, so I can look at that as well, and that definitely matches there. Harry stopped the tap after 2 minutes. Okay, so I'm looking here, 2 minutes and it gets stopped, so it's probably going to be this one, because he had to run to the shop. When he got back, he ran the tap for a further 3 minutes. That looks right. I'll match that up, which means this one has to match here, and I'll just double check that. Had a long soak and stayed in the bath for 15 minutes. Okay, this is the longest one. If I counted there very carefully, I'd see there was 15 of those. So that must match to there. And that is question 9 for 4 marks.